React Router DOM v6+, the official routing library for React. Routing means controlling which component to show based on the URL, and React Router makes this super clean. Let's build a mini multi-page app and explore everything, from basic routes to protected routes. Setup. Open your terminal and create a project. npx create React app React routing demo, cd React routing demo, npm install React Router DOM, npm start. This launches the app at HT localhost 3000. Now open the project in VS Code. Create a folder called pages/insource. Inside it, create home.js, about.js, profile.js, notfound.js, and in each file, a simple component. Repeat similarly for about, contact, etc. with different text. In app.js, we'll set up routing. JSX import BrowserRouter routes route from React-Router DOM. Import home from /pages home. Import about from ./pages/about. Import contact from pages contact. Function app. Return BrowserRouter h1 React Router demo routes route path equals /element equals home route path about element about route path contact element route path element not found BrowserRouter. Export default app. This is the heart of routing. BrowserRouter watches the browser URL. Navigation with useNavigate. Pages/home.js. JSX import useNavigate from React Router DOM. Function home const navigate equals useNavigate. Return homepage button navigate/about. Go to about. Export default home. Clicking the button changes the route without a page reload. useLocation and useParams. Update about.js to view the current URL. JSX import useLocation from React Router DOM. Function about const location equals useLocation. Return h2 about page. You are at location.pathname. Export default about. Now create a dynamic route. Profile.js, JSX import useParams from React Router DOM. Function profile, const username useParams. Return h2 welcome to username as profile. Export default profile. And update app.js. JSX route path profile/username element equals profile. Visit /profile a kill and it dynamically shows nested routes. Create a new folder, pages dashboard, inside it, dashboard.js, dashboard home.js, dashboard settings.js. Dashboard.js, JSX import outlet link from React Router DOM, function dashboard, return div h2 dashboard home link, link to settings link nav, outlet div, export default dashboard, dashboard home.js, JSX function dashboard home, return this is the dashboard home, export default dashboard home, dashboard settings.js, JSX function dashboard settings, return settings page, export default dashboard settings. Then in app.js, JSX import dashboard / pages dashboard/dashboard. Import dashboard home from .pages/dashboard home. Import dashboard settings from pages dashboard settings. Route path equals dashboard. Route path equals home element dashboard home. Route path settings element dashboard settings. Now go to /dashboard/home or /dashboard settings. Nested routes work using outlet. Protected routes. Let's protect a route. Only show it if logged in. Create PrivateRoute.js. Import navigate from React Router DOM. Function PrivateRoute is logged in children. Return is logged in children. Navigate to / export default PrivateRoute. Now in app.js, protect the dashboard. JSX import PrivateRoute from /components/PrivateRoute. Route path equals dashboard / elements. PrivateRoute is logged in true. Route path home element dashboard home. Route path equals settings elements. Set is logged into false, and you'll be redirected to /. Using navigate, we can programmatically redirect. Example, JSX route path old about element equals navigate to equals /about. Replace. Visiting /old about will take you to /about. HashRouter versus BrowserRouter. If your app is hosted without server support for client-side routing, GitHub Pages, use HashRouter. JSX import HashRouter from React Router DOM. HashRouter routes. It uses URLs like http/localhost3000/about, useful for static hosting.